Hey everybody, we're going to be talking about the 6 essential items that all chicken coops need to have if you want to have a happy and healthy flock. First up is security from predators. Chickens are unfortunately a tasty snack for many creatures, so your coop must be predator proof. We're talking strong, solid walls, wood, metal, whatever you choose. Just make sure there are no easy entry points. A secure roof is non-negotiable to keep out predators and to protect your birds from inclement weather. Next on our list, proper ventilation. This is something many people get wrong, and unfortunately it happens to a lot of new chicken owners. Poor ventilation leads to a lot of problems, including moisture buildup from their breath and the manure. This can cause respiratory issues and accumulation of harmful ammonia. One thing to keep in mind is that vents need to be near the top of a coop to allow warm, damp air to escape. Just make sure these vents are also covered with secure hardware cloth to prevent unwanted guests. The vents need to be above the roosting area. Speaking of roosting, that leads us to number 3, the roosting bars. This is where your chickens are going to sleep every night, and naturally they want to go up in order to roost. This is how they were in the wild, and they still have that natural characteristic even in domesticated chickens. For roosting bars, you want to provide something smooth that's sturdy and preferably made of wood. 2x4s with the wider side facing up is a good option. Tree limbs also make another good option. That's what we use here on our property. Just make sure they're a bit bigger and larger so the chicken's feet feel comfortable. Allow at least 8 to 12 inches of roosting space per bird. This can also depend on the type of chickens you have. Position them higher than the nesting boxes, since chickens prefer to roost up high, but also lower than the ventilation. It's kind of that happy medium that you're going for with the roosting bars. Number 4, nesting boxes. All hens need a safe, secure place for them to nest and lay their eggs. A good rule of thumb is 1 nesting box for every 5 to 6 hens. Standard sizes are around 12 by 12 by 12 inches. You want to make them accessible but also somewhat enclosed and dark to make the hens feel secure. This is the only time that hens are seeking darkness, is to lay their eggs. They don't want to lay their eggs out in the sun. They don't want to lay their eggs where they're exposed. So keeping it dark is important. You also want to fill them with clean bedding like straw or wood shavings. I've used leaf mulch. Some people use hay. Either way, you're going to have something in there that's going to make them feel comfortable and something that makes it easier for you to clean out. You want to place them lower than the roosting bars, and that's going to discourage them from sleeping in the nesting boxes at night, because if they sleep in them at night, you're going to have manure mixed in with your eggs, and obviously that's not good. Another thing you can do is put boards in front of the nesting boxes at night before the chickens go into their coop to roost. That's going to prevent them from going in the nesting boxes as well. Number 5, and this is really going to make your life so much easier, so please do this. You want large doors in order to clean out the coop. Trust me, when you've got a lot of chickens putting down manure in their coop every single night as they're roosting, you're gonna need to clean out your coop after a while, and you don't want that to be difficult. You don't want to be reaching down, crawling in there, trying to shove a shovel or broom or something, or whatever you use to clean out your coop. You're gonna want big doors that are spacious, and in my opinion, you want to have at least 2 doors if you can, depending on how your coop is designed. On our chicken coop, we've got 1 really big door on each side of the coop, so we can literally just push out the bedding from one side to the other. It makes cleaning so much easier. It also makes it easier if I need to get a chicken out for some reason at night when they're roosting, or take care of some other issue or maintenance problem inside the coop. So if you're building your own coop, you want to design your coop with at least 1 large door. I recommend 2, that allows you to easily get inside to shovel out this mess. This makes your life so much easier. This is something that I just can never imagine not having, since I now have it. So what are your must-have coop features? Share those down in the comments below. Number 6, your chickens need a way to get in and out of their coop safely. This should be easy for your chickens to use, but also easily keeps out other predators. I recommend automatic chicken doors. They're a fantastic option for added convenience. They can be expensive, but if you're in this for the long haul, they're definitely worth it. This one right here is a ProShine door. The reason why I went with this one is because it swings open rather than runs on a track. Track doors work, but they are a little bit higher maintenance because you do need to clean them out. If you want any more information on this particular door, I will put the Amazon link below if you want to check it out. I will also post the video link that I made concerning this door installation and review in the description below if you'd like to learn more about it from a video. And there you have it, guys. Those are my 6 essential things that all chicken coops must have, in my opinion and in my experience. If you have any other things you would like to share, please put them in the comments below. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you can click over here. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.